Guys, I wanted to show you these vases that I have. I really love these. I think they add just like such a nice sculptural element, and it's really pretty to just put one or two flowers in there. I wanted to give you an idea of the size. So the pack does come with two, which I think is really nice because it kind of like makes displaying them easier, makes it look really good without having to put like a lot of thought or effort into it. Here is my 12-inch ruler. You could see how big this is. So there you go. So this one's about 9 inches tall. And this one is about 7 inches. So they're not big by any means, but they look really pretty and just add like such a nice little element to any area. I definitely recommend them. They're also like they feel like a rough ceramic, so they're not glazed. They're kind of more matte and like an earthware, and they have like a little bit of a rough texture, which I think also makes them interesting. And I like this spiral of it. I think this all just makes it a little bit more interesting. Definitely pick these up. I think they're really cool.